children, so in the previous class we have learnt about the number system, right? Indian method and also the international method. So in this class we are going to compare the number systems, okay? We are going to compare the Indian number system and also the international number system. Okay, let us compare. Okay children, so what is the first thing we have learnt about the Indian number system? Simply, first of all, we need to put commas, right? So first of all, if you are having a number as like this, okay, if you are having a number as like this, see children, if you are having a number as like this, so first of all we need to put comma, is it? So in Indian method, first of all what we need to do, we need to count the numbers from the right? 1, 2 and 3, okay, after the 3 digits you can put comma here, okay, after the 3 digits you can put comma, and after that we need to count two digits, okay, 2, okay, so 1, 2, okay, now you can put comma here, and again 2, so put comma here, and again 2, and then put comma here. Okay children, so so what are all the periods, okay, we have learnt in Indian number system? So first of all we have learnt about comma, right? So after that what we have learnt about the period? So what are all the periods we have learnt? We have learnt about, so the periods that we have learnt about are ones, okay, the first one is ones, thousands, lakhs and crores, right? So ones, thousands, lakhs and crores, okay children, so these are all the periods we have learnt, right? So these are all the periods we have learnt, okay? So in that periods, we have place values, right? So what are all the place values we have learnt about ones, under ones? So while putting comma itself we know, right? So if you are having, see if you are having some digits, okay, if you are having these many digits, means what we need to do? At the last we will have 3 digits, and after that we will count 2, 2, 2, right? So that under ones we will have 3 place values, that is ones, tens and hundreds, okay, ones, tens and hundreds, okay children, and then up under thousands we will have 1000 and 10,000, okay, and under lakhs, lakhs and 10 lakhs, okay, and then crores, crores, 10 crores, 100 crores and 1000 crores, okay children. So these are all the things we have learnt in Indian number system, right? And then international number system, so how will you put the comma? Simply, if you are having a number, okay, 8896543210, right? If you are having a number as like this, what will you do? First of all, we need to see the number, count the number from the right? So 1, 2, 3, okay, we need to count 3 and put comma, and again count 3, okay, 1, 2, 3, okay, and then put comma, 1, 2, 3, and then put comma, okay. So that in international number system, we need to count 3 digits, okay, from the right we need to count 3 digits and put the comma, okay children, that is the thing we have learnt, right? So and then what are all the periods we have learnt? So see, we have learnt about ones, thousands, millions and billions, is it children? So these are all the periods we have learnt. Okay, so under the period ones, what are all the place values, what are all the number place values we have learnt? It is ones, tens and hundreds, okay, ones, tens and hundreds. So that under ones we are having 1, tens and 100, okay. Under thousand what we have? Under thousand again we have 1000, 10,000, 100,000, is it? So here 1000, 10,000 and 100,000, okay. And then if it is million, million, 10 million, 100 million, okay children. And then if it is billion, billion, 10 billion, okay children, is it clear? So now we can compare very easily, right? We know about this Indian number system and also the international number system, so we can compare very easily, right? See, if you are having 100, okay, if you are having 100, in the international number system also we are having 100, and here if you are having 1000, in international number system also we are having 1000, the same 1000, okay. And here if it is 10,000, and here also we are having the same 10,000. But if it is lakh, okay, lakh means how many zeros? 5 zeros, okay. So if you are having lakh, okay, so if you are having lakhs means in international number system it will mention as, okay, it is lakh, L-A-K-H-S, okay, it is lakhs. in international number system, we will write it as million. Okay, so million, how will you write million? So we'll put the same zeros. Okay, we'll put the same zeros, but what we need to change? What we need to change? We need to change the place of comma. Okay, we need to change the place of comma. So 1, 2, 3. So comma and 1, 2, 3. Okay, so million means. So here if it is lakhs means in international number system we will call it as here we will call it as 100,000. Okay children, I'm sorry. So here in the international number system we will call it as 100,000. So here if it is lakhs, in international number system we will call it as 100,000. Okay, 100,000. Okay children, can you all understood? So if it is lakhs, okay, if it is having 5 zeros means in international number system the same 5 zeros is named as 100,000. Okay children, and then if you are having 10 lakhs, so if it is 10 lakhs, okay, what we will do? How many zeros we will have? So lakhs means 50 and 10 lakhs means 6 zeros, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So in Indian number system, how will you put the comma? So 1, 2, 3. Okay, we need to count from right to right, is it? So count 3 digits and then put comma, and again 2 digits and then put comma. Okay. So it is 10 lakhs. Okay. Here in Indian number system, if you are having 10 lakhs means in international number system we will call it as million. Okay children, it is million, million. Okay, million means we are having the same 6 zeros. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, here also we are having the same 6 zeros, but we need to insert the comma. Okay, comma little bit different. So in international number system, how will you put the comma? We need to count 3 digits from the right to left. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, and again put the comma, and then 1, 2, 3. So now put the comma. So it is million. Okay children, so if in Indian number system if it is 10 lakhs means in international number system we will call it as million. Okay children, so likewise, okay, there will be changes. Okay, so up to million we have learned, right? So if it is crore means it is having, okay, 7 zeros. Okay, 7 zeros. So we will call it as crores. Okay, we will call it as crore. So in Indian number system, if it is crore means in international number system we will call it as 10 million. Okay children, likewise there will be some little bit difference in Indian number system and international number system. Okay children, so let us see the number name. Let us write the number name for a numeral. Okay children, so let us see. So this is a numeral that was given in your book. Okay children, so first of all we are going to write the number name in Indian method. Okay, so first of all what we need to do in Indian method? In Indian method, first of all we need to put comma, right? So if we are having 5, 7, 3, 4, 0, 0 and 0, 0. Okay, we are having the numeral as like this. Okay, first of all in Indian method we need to count the comma, right, from the right to left. Okay, so from the right we need to count 3, 1, 2 and 3 digits. After that put comma. Okay, and again count 2 digits. Okay, 1, 2 and then put comma, and then count 2 digits and then put comma. Okay children, so we know the first one is ones, tens, hundreds, is it? So let us see the place value chart. Okay, let us see the place value chart. So let me draw the place value chart here. So first of all we are going to write the number name, okay, for this numeral. Let us here we just put comma, right? So let us write this under the place value chart. Okay, see how many zeros? 0, 0 and 0. Okay, and again 4, 0, 0 and 4. Okay, and then 3, 7. Okay, 3 and 7 and then 5. Okay, so how we can write? 5 crores. Okay, 5 crores, 73 lakhs, 40,000. Okay, that's all. 5 crores, 73 lakhs and 40,000. Okay children, let us write 5 crores, okay. So 5 crores 73,000 lakhs, okay. CVENTY 73 lakhs, LAKHS, okay. 73 lakhs and 40,000 and FORTY 40,000, THOUSANDS, okay, 40,000, okay children. So this is the number name in Indian method, okay children. 5 crores 73 lakhs and 40,000, okay children. And then in international number system, what we need to do? We need to insert the comma first, right? So what is the digit we are having? 5, 7, 3, 4, 0, 0, 0 and 0, right? So let us count the numbers from the right to left, okay? We need to count three digits, right? So 1, 2 and 3, and now put comma, and 1, 2, 3, so now put comma, and then after that we are having 2 digits, right? So let us arrange this in this place value chart. So first of all, what are all the periods in international number system? We know, right? Ones, thousands, millions and billions. And also we know, so while putting the comma, okay, while inserting the comma itself, we know, so we need to count three digits and put the comma, right? So in all the 3 place values, we need to insert ones, tens, hundreds, and then thousands, 1,000, 10,000 and 100,000, okay? Under millions, we need to have million, 10 million and 100 million, and then if it is billion, 10 billion and 100 billion, okay children. Likewise, we need to write the place value chart, okay? After learning this place value chart properly, you can write it directly, okay children. நல்லா இதை படிச்சு முடிச்சதுக்கு அப்புறம் நீங்க டைரக்டாவே எழுதலாம், okay children. So let us arrange these numbers under this place value chart, okay? So 0, 0, 0, and then 0, 4, 3, and then 7, 5, okay? So how we need to write? Under millions, we are having 57, okay? So 57 millions, 340,000, okay, that's it. 57 million, 340,000, okay children? So let us write 57, okay, FIFTY, 57 million, okay, MILLION, 57 million, 300 and, okay, THREE, 340,000, okay, 340,000, SOUSAND, okay, 1,000. That's it, okay children. So we can write the number name very easily, okay children. So just read this number. So if you are finding, okay, without this place value chart, if we need to find, means international method, how we will note the number? Ones, tens, hundreds, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, okay, and then million, 10 million, okay. So we can find that 57 million, 340,000, okay children. Likewise, you need to check the numbers, okay. After inserting the comma, you need to say this place value chart in your mind, okay children. Okay, let us see the next topic, place value of digits in large numbers, okay. So before that, we are having a try these, right, in page number 7. Let us do that, okay. So it's try these, okay. It is on page number 7, okay children. So the question is, identify the incorrectly placed comma and rewrite correctly, okay. So the first question is an Indian system, okay. First of all, simply count the numbers. So see the commas, we are having commas after one digit, right? So first of all, write the number alone, okay. So 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 0, 1, 5, okay children. This is the number, this is the numeral which is given in the question, okay. So let us insert the comma, okay. So first of all, what we need to do? We need to count the first 3 from the right. So 1, 2 and 3. So now insert the comma, and then again we need to count 2, is it? So 1, 2, okay, and then put comma, and then 1, 2, and then put comma, okay. So can you say the number line for this? So it's ones, okay, ones, tens, hundreds, okay, it is hundreds, okay, and then thousand, 10,000, okay, and then lakhs, 10 lakh, okay, and then crore, 10 crore, okay. So 56 crores, 12 lakhs, and 34,015. Okay, we can write the number name as like this. Okay, children, can you all understood? So let us do the next one. See here, we are having 4 digits at the last without comma, right? So that here also we need to arrange the comma properly. So we simply write the numeral which was given. Okay, so 990032245. Okay, this is a numeral which is given in the question, right? So first of all, what we need to do? We need to count the numerals from the right to left. Okay. So first of all, we need to count 3 and put comma. 1, 2, and 3, and then put comma. And then we need to count 2. 1, 2, and then put comma, and then 2, comma. Okay, children. So this is the. We need to insert comma as like this. Okay. So how will you write the number name for this? See, ones, tens, hundreds, okay, thousand, 10,000, okay, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crore, 10 crore. So 99 crore, 32,245. Okay, children. So for these 20, you no need to say any lakhs. So simply 99 crores, 32,245. Okay. So can you all understood? It is crore. Okay, it is crore. Crore. So it is crore and it is lakh. Okay, in the place of lakh we are having zeros, and then it is thousands. Okay, thousand, and it is ones. Okay, so 99 crore 32,245. Okay, children, is it clear? So just write this in your book itself. Okay, use pencil and write the answer. Okay, and then the next one, international system. So it's the question. Okay, so we are going to insert comma in international number system. Okay, based on international number system. Okay, how will you put the comma? First of all, see, in the last digit itself we are having 4 digit, right? In this numeral, the last 4 digits after that we are having comma. Okay, children. So that what we need to do first. First of all, we need to write the numeral alone. Okay, no need to insert the comma first. Okay, just write 7, 5, 6, 1, 3, 4, 5, 3, and 4. Okay, this is the numeral we are having in the question. Okay, so what we need to do? For the international number system, we need to comma 3 from the right. Okay, from the right we need to comma count 3 and insert comma, and again count 3 and insert comma. Okay, so 1, 2, and 3, insert comma. Okay, 1, 2, 3, then comma. So again we are having 1, 2, and 3. So how will you say the number name for this numeral? So let us say the place value. Okay, see here it is ones, tens, hundreds. Okay, thousand, 10,000, 100,000. Okay, and then million, 10 million, and 100 million. Okay, children. So how will you say? 756 million, 134,534. Okay, so it's in the place of ones, and it is in the place of thousands. Okay, and it is in the place of million. Okay, children. So 756 million, 134,000, and then 534. Okay, children, is it clear? Okay, and then see the next one. So 3030. So see, the comma is inserted wrong. So that first of all, what we need to do? We need to write the numeral alone. Okay, so 3030304 040. Okay, children, this is the numeral we are having. Okay, So first of all, what we need to do? We need to count 3, okay, from the right, okay, 3 digits from the right. So 1, 2 and 3 and then put comma. And then 1, 2, 3, insert comma, okay, 1, 2, 3. Now insert comma. So for this, how will you say the number name? See here, ones, tens and hundreds. So it is in the place of ones, okay. So 1000, 10,000, 100,000, okay, it is in the place of 1000, okay. And then million, 10 million and 100 million. So it is in the place of million, okay. And then it is billion, okay children. So 3 billion and 30 million and 3,000, okay, 304,000 and 40, okay. 3 billion and 30 million, 304,000 and 40. Okay children, is it clear? So likewise we can write the number name for the numeral also. Okay. So simply just put the comma. Okay. Just put the comma in the proper place in your book. Use pencil. Okay. Use pencil. Okay children. So the next topic we are going to learn about is place value of digits in large numbers. Okay. Place value. Okay, let us see. So the next topic is place value of digits in large numbers. Okay, place value of digits in large numbers. Okay, the numeral we are having is this. Okay, we are going to write this numeral in expanded form. Okay children, so first of all, in Indian method, what we need to do? First of all, we need to insert comma, right? So let us insert the comma. Okay, so we need to count the comma from the right. First of all, we need to count 3 and put comma, okay, and after that count 2 and put comma, okay. So let us say the place value now. Ones, tens, hundreds, okay. Ones, it's ones, and it's tens, and it's hundreds, okay, and then it is 1000, okay, and then it is 10,000, and then it is lakh, okay. Okay children, let us write the expanded form, okay. So for this lakhs, okay, we can write 6 lakhs, okay. 6 LAKHS, okay, we can write, and then put the sign plus, okay, and after that 7 10,000, okay, 10,000, okay, 7 10,000 thousands, and then put the plus, and then see 6,000s, okay, 6,000s, HOUSANDS, okay, and then put plus, and then 0 hundreds, and then put plus, and then 9 tens, okay, 9 tens, okay, and then after that 7 ones, okay children, and after that we need to insert zeros for this lakhs, okay. Lakhs means how many zeros? 5 zeros, is it children? So lakhs means 5 zeros. So here also we can count, okay. After the 6, how many digits are there? 1 2 3 4 5, okay, 5 digits are there. So that lakhs means we need to include 5 zeros, okay. 6 1 2 3 4 and 5, okay, 5 times 0, okay. Simply we can okay, we need to write the step, okay. 6 into, okay, 1 2 3 4 and 5, okay children, and after that put the plus, okay, put the plus sign here, and then 7 10,000s, okay. See the 7 here, put the 7 here, and then put into, and after that just count the numbers, okay. After that, see, just here we are 7, right? Just close the 7 and count the numbers 1 2 3 and 4, okay. So how many zeros we need to put? 4 zeros, okay. So 1 2 3 and 4, okay, 4 zeros we need to put, and again put the plus, okay, put plus, and 6,000, okay. We need to put the 6 here and put the into symbol, and just hide up to 6, okay, and count the digits 1 2 3, okay. How many digits? 3 digits, right? So put 1 and 2 and 3, okay, 3 digits, okay children, and again put the sign plus, okay, put plus, and what we are having? 0, right? 0. So hundreds means into 100, we know, right? And then put plus, and for the 9 tens, okay, tens means into 10, okay? So 9 into 10, and then ones, 7 ones, so plus 7. And then what is the next step we can write? We can write very easily, right? So 6 into this one, so we will get 6. 5 times 0, okay, 5 zeros, into 3, 4, 5, okay, so 6 lakhs now. So, and then put plus, and after that, we are having 7, so here, 70,000, right, so 4 zeros, 2, 3 and 4, now 70,000, okay children, and after that, put plus, okay, and then put the 6 here, and how many zeros? 1,000, okay, 0, 0 and 0, so 3 zeros. And again put plus, we are having 0 here. So we can leave the 0, okay, 0 doesn't have any value, right? So we are just leaving the 0 now, okay. Now 9 into 10, 90, okay, 90. And then at the last we are having 7. So this is the expanded form of the numeral. Okay children, is it clear? Very easy, right? First of all, we are going to insert the commas, and after that we are going to write the place value as like this, and after that we are going to simply just put the 6 here and hide the digits and count the digits and write the zeros. Okay children, so very easy. Okay, this is the expanded form. Okay, so after that the next one is place value. Okay, we are going to find the place value for the same number. Okay, place value. Okay, if we need to find the place value of, okay, this 6. Okay, how will you find the place value of this 6? So how will you find the place value of 6? First of all, we need to write the place value. Okay, the place value of 6 is, okay, we need to write the number, okay, this 6, okay, we need this 6, okay. So what we need to do? First of all, we need to put the number 6 here. Okay, so ones, tens, hundreds and thousand. Okay, what is the place of this 6? Thousands. Okay, so write 6,000s. Thousands. Okay, 6,000s. Okay children, now simply just put the 6 here and then hide it. Okay, hide the 6. Okay, now count the zeros 1, 2 and 3. Okay, how many digits we are having? 3 digits. Okay, so that we can put the into symbol and write 1,000. Okay, 3 zeros. We need to insert 3 zeros. So what is the answer now? 6,000. Okay, 6, 0, 0 and 0. Okay, so this is the place value, and also we need to insert the comma. Okay, ones, tens, hundreds. So 3 digits, after 3 digits we can insert comma. So the answer is 6,000 is the answer. Okay, it is a place value. Is it clear? Very easy, right? So again, if we need to find the place value of this 7, how will you find? Okay, we need to find the place value of this 7. Okay children, so first of all, what we need to do? 7 10,000s. Okay, 7, put the numeral 7 and then 10,000s. THOUSANDS. Okay, 7 10,000s. So what we need to do? Put the 7 here and just hide the number 7 with your hand. Okay, now count the zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, how many digits? 4 digits. So that put the symbol into and write 4 zeros. Okay, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, so that we can write the answer very easily. 70,000. Okay, after that what we need to do? We need to insert the symbol, right? So ones, tens, hundreds. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, from the right we need to count 3 digits and put comma, and then after that we need to count 2 and put comma. So here we are having 70,000. Okay, children, that's clear? And also we are having an example in your book, right? So let us see that. See, here we are having 9847056. Okay, this is the number we are having. Okay, so we need to find the place value of this 9. Okay, how will you find? First of all, we need to write the place value of 9 is. Okay, the place value of 9 is. First of all, what we need to write? Put the numeral 9. Okay, and then first of all, what we need to do? First of all, we need to insert commas here. Okay, so 1, 2 and 3 and then put comma. And again 1, 2, put comma. Okay, children. So now we can say it's ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, right? So 10 lakhs. Okay, 9, 10 lakhs. LAKHS. Okay, children. So in numeral, how we can write? So just hide the number 9 and count the digits. We can put zeros. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, how many zeros? We need to put 6 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, now we can write the answer very easily, right? So 9 and then put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 6 zeros. Okay, and then insert the comma. Okay, 1, 2, 3, put comma. And then again 1, 2, put comma. Okay, so the answer is 90 lakhs. Okay, it is the place value of that 9. Is it clear? So very easy, right? So let us try these sum. Try these. So children, write this heading in your notebook, in your maths notebook. So we had completed the try these in the same page number 7. Identify the incorrectly placed comma, right? After completing that, you should write this try these. Okay. So write the heading as try these and mention again the page number 4. Okay. So write the heading as expand the following numbers. Okay. Expand the following numbers. So the number we are having is this. Okay. So 2, 3, 0, 4, 5, 6, 7. So first of all, we need to insert the comma, right? So in this numeral, we need to insert the comma. Okay. So first of all, what we need to do? So write the number. Okay, write the number. So 2, 3, 0, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So first of all, we need to count from the right to left. Is it? So 1, 2, 3, put comma. And then 1, 2, and then put comma. Okay. So we are having the digits as like this. Okay, children. And then what we need to do? So see, it's the place of ones. Okay, ones, tens, hundreds. So 1,000, it's 1,000, 10,000. Okay, lakhs, 10 lakhs. Okay, likewise we can write it as like this. Okay, so after that, what we need to do? First of all, we need to write the number 2, and it is 10,000, right? 2 into 2, 10,000s. Okay, put the symbol plus. Okay, and after that 3 lakhs, sorry, 10 lakhs. Okay, I'm sorry, you need to write as 2, 10 lakhs. Okay, LAKHS. Okay, 2, 10 lakhs. Okay, and then 3 lakhs. Okay, LAKHS. Okay, children, and then 0, 10,000s. Okay, 0, TENTHOUSANDS. Okay, 2 10,000s, and after that 0 10,000s, and then 4,000s. Okay, 4 THOUSANDS. Okay, 4,000s, and then plus 500s. Okay, 500s, and then plus 6 tens. Okay, 6 tens, and after that 7 ones. 7 ones. Okay, children. So let us write this. Okay, so write this in numbers. Okay, so 2 into 16 lakhs means, so how will you write the zeros? So just close, hide this 2 and count, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, okay, 6 zeros we need to write, okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, okay, 6 zeros, and after that put the symbol plus here and then 3 lakhs, right? For this lakhs, just hide this 3 and count the numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay, 5 zeros we need to put. So put the into symbol and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay children, and again put the symbol 0 and 0 10 thousands. Okay, so 0 10 thousands. So 0 into, just hide the 0 and count 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 4 digits, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay children, and then put the symbol plus and then 4 thousands. Okay, thousands. Just hide this 4 and count 1, 2, 3. Okay, 3 zeros. Okay, so into 1000. Okay, and then plus 5 hundreds. Okay, 5 into 100. Okay, 1, 2. Okay, 2 zeros. So 100, and then put the put plus and then 5 hundreds and then 6 tens. We know 6 tens means 6 into 10 plus 717. So what is the answer? How we can write? So the answer is 2. Okay, 20,000. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 6. Okay, just insert. Okay, no need to insert comma. Okay, just put plus and after that 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 5 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, for lakhs we need to insert 5 zeros and 0 does not have value. Just leave this 0. And after that 4 into 1000. Okay, plus 4 into 1000. Okay, 4000. Sorry. Okay, and then plus 5 into 100. 500. Okay, and then put 60 plus 7. Okay, this is the expanded form. Okay, you can copy it in your notebook. Pause the video and copy. Okay, so after completing the first one, second one. Okay, in the first one, second and third is your homework. Okay, let me afterwards I will write it on the board. Okay, so after that, second one, find the place value of underlined digits. Okay, so the underlined digit is this 4. Okay, 4. So first of all, what we need to do? First of all, we can insert comma. Okay, it is insert comma. So 1, 2, 3 and then put comma and then 1, 2 and comma. Okay, so these are all. So likewise we can insert the comma. Okay, and after that what we need to do? Just write the place value. The place value of 4 is. Okay, just let us write. Okay, this one is ones, tens, hundreds, thousands and then 10,000. Okay, so it is in the place of 10,000s. So what we need to do? For 10,000s. Okay, for 10,000s. So 10,000s means what we need to put? Just hide this 4 and count the digits. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 4 digits are there. So that we can write 4 into 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 4 zeros. So what will you get? What is the answer? 40,000. Okay, and then insert comma. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so the answer. Okay, so the place value of 4 is 40,000. Okay, children, is it clear? So copy it in your notebook. This is the answer. Okay. So let me give you homework. So your today's homework is, okay, homework in page number 7. Try these. In sum number 1, 2, 3. Okay, 2, 3, and sum number 2, first one. These are all your homeworks. Okay. Note down your homeworks and do your homework properly. Okay, children. Thank you.